Hi, let's solve this problem related to law of total probability and Bayes theorem. Here, the problem says in a certain city, 40% of the people consider themselves conservative and 35% consider themselves liberal and 25% consider themselves to be independent. During a particular election, 45% of the conservatives voted, 40% of the liberal voted, and 60% of the independent voted. Suppose a person is randomly selected. Find the probability that the person voted. For this problem, actually, we have to use the law of total probability. So let's check it out. Here, probability of conservative means C equal to 0.4, and probability of voting probabilities is V given C equal to 0.45. Voting probability considering conservative. Okay, probability of L equal to 0.35 and probability of V given L equal to 0.4 and probability of I equal to 0.25 and probability of V given I equal to 0.6. So by applying a total probability, we know we have to find the total probability here. Probability of V total voting probabilities equal to probability of C into probability of B given C plus probability of L into probability of V given L plus probability of I into probability of V given I equal to, so probability of C equal to 0.4 into 0.45 plus 0.35 into 0.4 plus 0.25 into 0.6. So it will be total 0.47 or 47%. So here the probability that a person voted is 47%. 47%. Here we the probability of conservative it's given, the value is given, and then we find out the voting probabilities. From the given probabilities we find out the voting probabilities, and then we just find out the total probabilities of a person is voted. And let's see the second problem. Here it says if the person voted, find the probability that the voter is conservative, liberal, and independent. Okay, how can we do this? We can easily solve this problem by applying Bayes theorem. So let's see. So for conservative, for conservative probability of C given V equal to, as per Bayes theorem, we can say probability of V given C into probability of C divided by probability of V. So as for Bayes theorem, we can write it like this, and equal to probability of B given C means what is the value of probability of B given C? 0.45. 0.45 into 0.4, and here 0.47. So that will be 0.383 or equal to 38.3%. And for conservative for the liberal and independent also it will be like this. You can just apply this Bayes theorem for that also. So you can, so let's see how we can solve this also. So for liberal, we can see probability of L given V equal to probability of V given L into probability of L divided by probability of V. So what is V given L? Here we can see 0.4 and 0.35. 0.4 into 0.35 divided by 0.47 equal to 0.298, or we can write 29.8%. As well for independent, we can find out probability of I given B equal to probability of V given I into probability of I divided by probability of V equal to 0.60 into 0.25. Yeah, and 0.47 equal to it will be 0.319 equal to 31.9%. So this is the probability for each of this event. So I think you got the idea how you can solve this kind of problem. So let's see for next video.